In this video, I'm going to reveal 5 YouTube channel ideas that you can start today. And the best part about these different channel ideas is that these channels that I found are actually teeny tiny YouTube channels. Each of these channels has less than 3,000 subscribers, so it works for them. I know that it will work for you. So watch this entire video to learn about these 5 channel ideas and how you can get access to a running list of channel ideas that you could start today. Hi, my name is Alston Godbolt with alstongodbolt.com. I create content to actually help you make money online and not just to put money into my own pocket. And if you want to be added to this globe, simply reply or comment down below with your city, state, province, country, and I'll get you pinned. All right, so as I mentioned, what we're going to do today is we're going to take a look at 5 YouTube channel ideas, why they're making money, and how you can do it too, so that you can actually start making some money online. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. The first one that I want to show you is actually with Amazon coupon codes. Yes, if we take a look at this account here, this channel has 2,510 subscribers, but they have a video that has 22,000 views, and it's actually really simple. This person has gone out and found different coupon and promo codes, and they're sharing that with the group. Now, everyone loves a discount, so people are ready, willing, and able to follow. If you look, we look at the most popular ones, you can see that this one has 1 million views, but what's most important is that they're creating content about coupon and promo codes. Now, I made a video last week that talked about how you could start making money with affiliate marketing and these Amazon promo codes, but you can see that teeny tiny channels are doing this, and you could do this too. Now, I recommend the best way to get started is to pick a niche. Maybe you're in health, maybe you're in beauty, maybe you're in tech, and then you go out and you find different tech promo codes. Now, again, I have a video that I uploaded last week that walks you through the process. It talks about TikTok, but you could easily apply this to Amazon. You go out and find different promo codes within your niche, you create content, you put it up on the internet, and people will follow, and you'll actually earn affiliate commissions. So it doesn't really matter how many subscribers you have with this method, because your primary mode of income will be affiliate marketing, which is recommending other people's products and services. In this instance, it would be Amazon. But number one, I really like Amazon promo codes. And pro tip, you can actually repurpose this type of content across multiple platforms and grow your following even further. Number two is actually within the video game niche, but you have to do it a certain way. I talk to people all the time that want to start a gaming YouTube channel, but they go about it the wrong way. And the wrong way is to talk about games that are old. They want to get into Minecraft. They want to get into Roblox. They want to get into Call of Duty. Those games are old news. There's already millions of videos that are talking about those things. However, MLB The Show 23 came out earlier this month or late last month. This channel, 100 subscribers, they have over 11,000 views. And the key is, especially with video games, because it's a popular niche, the key is to go out and find new video games. There isn't as much content on the new stuff as there is on the old stuff. So what I'd recommend that you do is keep your eye on IGN, or go to your favorite gaming blogging website and check out new video games. And anytime there's a new video game released, to jump on that game, because there are going to be a lot of people looking for information. For example, in full disclosure, I couldn't figure out how to level up my guy on MLB The Show. And so I actually went and searched how to level up my guy on MLB The Show. And once I learned that, watched the entire video because it was important to me. And so I actually learned how to do it. And this is the key to video games. If you're just getting started with video games in 2023, I strongly recommend that you find new video games that are uploaded within the last month or two, create content in those video games, because it's going to be far less competitive than doing Minecraft. Now, again, this guy, he only has 100 subscribers. If we look at his channel here, you're going to see, even though he only has 100 subscribers, a lot of his content with MLB gets pretty good amount of views. 26,000 views, 2,000 views, 89 views, 76 views, 11,000 views. So this isn't just a one-hit wonder. This is something that he did consistently. Now, if we look, Minecraft, 207 views from a year ago. That's because he tried to create content about something that was highly competitive and old. And we look at Call of Duty, 79 views. You're gonna have much more success if you jump on new video games, because a lot of people are going to be searching and needing help, not as much competition. There you go. That's the answer. The next one that I really like is this channel where he actually did comparisons of SiteGround versus Name Hero. He only has 7 subscribers. but he has 104 views on this video. Now, what's most important is he's an affiliate marketer. Now, he went out and joined different affiliate programs for Name Hero and SiteGround, and he's simply creating content in this space. Now, once again, the number of subscribers doesn't necessarily matter because he's earning commissions with affiliate marketing, but he only has 700. He only has 7 subscribers, but look at his views. 316 views, 161 views. And again, these are affiliate-based videos, okay? Affiliate-based videos, you don't care about how many subscribers you have, but he's getting views, and that's what's most important, okay? And if you want to do this, go out and pick a niche, find different products within that niche. For example, he was in the web hosting niche, and he simply is creating content about different web hosting platforms. Name Hero versus Cloudways, Squarespace versus X versus Y works out very well because these people are ready to buy. They know the problem, they know the solution. They just want to make sure they're making the best decision for them. And you can see, again, he has 7 subscribers, but the subscriber count, A, doesn't matter. B, he has a very good view to subscriber ratio. One thing that may help is actually changing up the thumbnails, but who am I to talk? The next one is Top X4Y. Now, I really like this because, once again, this is an affiliate-based YouTube channel. So the number of subscribers doesn't actually matter, but this person has over 1,000 subscribers, and this video got 6,000 views. But if we look, all of these are affiliate links. So if someone were to click on these links and buy a refrigerator, he would earn up to a 10% commission. And if we look at his channel, you can see this is basically his thing. He goes out, finds different best X4Y, top X4Y. He creates content and he's getting a ton of views. 1,000 subscribers, 39,000 views from a year ago. You have to be consistent and persistent. Don't expect the views to just show up. Don't expect to get 39,000 views in one day. This is something that he's building up over time. But look at this. Best top 7 food processors, 19,000 views. Top 7 best wireless microphone. And this is all B-roll. He's not actually showing his face. He, she, they're not showing their face, but they're getting tons of views. And again, not just on one video, he is doing this consistently. And then he has his affiliate links in the description, and he is making money. Now, the last one that I want to show you is very interesting. It's very funny, and I think that anybody can do this. If you're doing quizzes or you're doing something like Would You Rather. Now, look at this. Would you rather St. Patrick's Day? 1,000 subscribers, 319 subscribers. Now, what I think this one is, or maybe these bottom 2, maybe they're like gym teachers, and they put together Would You Rathers for their class. They put it on YouTube, and this one got 28,000 views. 319 subscribers, 28,000 views. And you can do this with something like Canva. You can do this with PowerPoint. And if we look, you can see that this is a really popular niche. Now, what you can do is you can do Would You Rather, and then think about the different holidays. Would you rather Easter? Really simple. Would you rather Easter? As you can see, there are people doing this. Again, 1,000 subscribers, 16,000 views. If we look at their channel, this is exactly what they're doing. Very simple content, and they're not showing their face. They just uploaded this one 3 minutes ago. Again, they're in the Would You Rather niche. 297 views 13 days ago. And he only has 1,000 subscribers. Now, the best way to monetize this would be with the YouTube Partner Program. I think you could also do something like a Patreon game night. I don't think you're going to get a ton of money with the YouTube Partner Program just because the niche isn't a niche where customers have to spend money or want to spend money to solve a problem. But I think you could do Patreon game night. Once you get big enough, I think you could also sell merchandise. Maybe there are different board games that you could do, like Would You Rather board games that you could promote. But I think this is a really cool way. Again, I get asked all the time, how do I start a YouTube channel? How do I get traction? And you can see these tiny channels are doing this, and they're not even showing their face. Simple Would You Rather, and he's doing it within different niches. Now, you could do Would You Rather Disney, Would You Rather sports. All of it works. So if we look at this, Would You Rather Disney? Would You Rather Disney edition? 12,000 subscribers, 1,000 subscribers, 2,000 views. But this can work. You can see the progression. The 1,000 subscribers, 2,500 views, 247,000 subscribers, 308,000 views. So you can see that this can work over a long period of time. Now, once again, I think the cost per 1,000, so how much YouTube will pay you, is going to be rather low if you just use the YouTube Partner Program. But I think that, let's say you join the Amazon Partner Program, let's say you join Amazon Associates, the affiliate network, and you find affiliate products based on your would you rather. For example, go out and find 10 Disney products for Encanto and find 10 Disney products for the different Disney princesses and put those links in the description. I think that could help you earn affiliate commissions. But this is a really cool way. You don't have to show your face. You can actually do this with PowerPoint. You can do this with Canva. You can do this with Photoshop. Now, these are 5 Faceless YouTube channels. I am putting together a running list of Faceless YouTube channel opportunities, and you'll be able to find that in my membership area called House of Affiliates. It's $7 per month. You can cancel anytime, but it is the best way to get up and running, to start making money online. I have affiliate marketing stuff in there. I have some digital product stuff in there. And of course, I'm going to have this YouTube channel ideas as well. Now, if you want to get started with House of Affiliates, it's the $7 per month membership. Click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start. You'll enter in your name and your email, and then you'll have access to the membership program. Again, go to alstongodbolt.com/start to get access today. Watch this video next because YouTube says it will help you grow your online business.